Come on, I got that video gate rolling now. I got that video gate rolling now. I got that video gate rolling now. Your 127 New York is on the mail. I got the video gate rolling. Audio. I got that video gate around New York rolling. Your pistol grip 127 New York is on the mail. I got that pistol video gate rolling.
It's no get back on the bird, no get back on the bird. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, just go down. She's taking 30 bird, clean out your radio with 2 6 no wire in Alabama. Mad Dog, Big Bam, Gray 300 and 2 6. Hey, Mr. 364. Hey, Mad Dog.
Hey, Mad Dog, that Gray 300 stroking. Mad Dog, your 127. Hey, Mad Dog, that Gray 300 stroking. Your 127. New York and back on the mail.
Put it on your gate. Trinitron 9, put that on your window there. Richie Radio, 127. 425 Cuervo. Listen, Trinitron 9.
Wait a minute, Ruben.
It's on the gate, it's on the gate. Hey, Mad Dog is on the gate. The video gate don't lie. Hey, Mad Dog is on the gate. The video gate don't lie. Break. Technology.
I'm gonna go make me a pot of coffee and get a live gate rolling. Just give me a couple of minutes, man. I got a video gate rolling, but it's not live. I'm gonna go get me a cup of coffee, and I'm gonna come back with a live gate. Your pistol grip 127 New York City back on the mail.
Here I come again. Here I come. Can you say Dirty Bird Killer? Dirty Bird lip cutting antenna. This is a Mad Dog. Dirty Bird lip cutting antenna. This is the lip cutting Dirty Bird antenna right here. Look at Dirty Bird clean off. When he's running 5,000, I'm running 200 watts right there on these quad antennas I made. Mad Dog's back out. All by yourself, Mad Dog. The video game don't lie. All by yourself. You said you got the Dirty Bird antenna killer. You said you got the Dirty Bird antenna killer. Hey, Mad Dog, you all by yourself right about now. Mad Dog, Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, break. By Trinitron 9. Trinitron 9. I let it go 34 from 34. gonna get it back to Coney Island? Who else gonna put it in my ear hole? Trinitron 9, walking on the water, riding the wave. Break, break, break. I'm not at 99 in the sand pile. I'm not at 99 on the sand pile. You got 25 tons. Like New York. I'm not at 99 in the shop. You got that on your gate. Tell Dirty Bird let that be a lesson because he got a bad problem coming. It's 200 watts, raw watts. That man do it 5,000. You said let it be a lesson. 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 Trinitron 9, Coney Island just got down.
Ms.Moon Walker.
Alabama, Trinitron 9, break, break, break. Oh, look, that cracky got excited.
Hey, Trent, did I just hear Ms.Moon Walker? Hey, Trent, are you ghost talking or am I hearing things? Did I just hear Ms.Moon Walker up in that video gate?
Right, Pistol Grip just asking, did he hear you? Pistol Grip just asking, did he hear you, Moonwalker? Hey, the video gate don't lie. Take care, Moonwalker and the Good Time Gang. Trinitron 9 said bye, bye, bye. Sounds real good, Moonwalker. You gonna like the video game? Hey, Moonwalker, you gonna like the video game? Take care, Moonwalker. Trinitron 9, D Waters of Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Trinitron, you know she's singing. Hey, Trinitron, you know Ms.Moon Walker's singing. Hey, Trinitron, you know Ms.Moon Walker's singing. And you know why she's singing. Pistol, pistol, pistol. Oh, special request. Hey, Ms.Moon Walker, on a special request. Hey, Ms.Moon Walker, on a moonbeam, I'm spending a special request. Ms.Moon Walker, your Pistol Grip 127, New York City, back in my rack.
Little desperate cracky.
Hey, Ms.Moon Walker, you know I got a copy on you. Hey, Ms.Moon Walker, you know I got a copy on you. Ms.Moon Walker, your 127 New York is back on the mail.
Poor little cracky desperado. Oh, he wants some attention. Oh, he wants some female attention so bad.
Hey, right back, Ms.Moon Walker. Hey, I know Trinitron got his gate rolling. I got my gate rolling. But, hey, Ms.Moon Walker, I got one of these wannabe girls around New York City trying to get my attention. Hey, Ms.Moon Walker, I got one of these wannabe girls around New York City who got highly jealous that I keyed up to you. Ms.Moon Walker, your 127 New York City. Let the video gate tell the story.
She knows your story. She knows how you treat women, cracky. She won't talk to you. But you're so desperate to talk to her. You can hear it in your voice. Cracky. Shit, Ms.Moon Walker made your day. You sad little bastard. She knows it.
Oh, Ms.Moon.